How to make boobs grow faster. Breasts grow naturally during puberty and can change throughout the course of your life. They usually start developing when you're between the ages of 10 and 11, but they can continue to grow into your early 20s and can change size and shape due to age, weight and pregnancy. 1. Breasts may continue to develop for anywhere from 18 months to 9 years. Although the size of breasts is mostly determined by your DNA, other factors, such as weight, muscle mass, and age, can affect their appearance. Although the best solution is to wait and give your breasts time to grow, you can also try a few different methods to enhance them naturally, including eating certain foods and doing particular exercises. Eating and drinking. Eat healthy fats. Breasts are made of fatty, adipose tissue, so they will not appear until you have gained body fat. Monounsaturated fats are the best choices for increasing breast size. Healthy fats include olive oil, nuts, cheese, avocados, yogurt, and granola. Women who have less than 17% body fat may stop ovulating and menstruation. If you have already gone through puberty, but you are not having regular periods, then raising your body fat in a healthy way will help you to grow breasts and return to normal menstruation and ovulation. Avoid other fats that are unhealthy, like trans fats and saturated fats from fast food and processed food sources. These fats usually end up collecting on areas of the body that women want to avoid being fuller, such as thighs, hips, and the stomach. They can also cause other health problems, including high cholesterol. 3. Refrain from consuming processed foods, sugars, and sodas which may help you put on weight but will certainly lead to other unhealthy conditions. Eat estrogen-rich foods. Estrogen is a potent female sex hormone, which at its proper levels can aid breast growth. Good sources of natural estrogen include pumpkin, garlic, red beans, lima beans, chickpeas, eggplant, flax seeds, and squash. Increase your consumption of soy products. Soy products are high in isoflavones, which can help the body increase its own estrogen levels and promote breast growth. Soy is also rich in protein and can help build and repair damaged tissues in the body. Try soy milk, soy nut butter, etc. to see results. 5. Avoid food rich in testosterone. Testosterone is the male equivalent of estrogen, which decreases breast growth. Avoid carb-rich foods such as chips, crackers, white rice and baked goods to minimize the production of testosterone in your body. Anabolic steroid use will have a similar effect to testosterone on breast growth as well. Eat protein. Protein is one of the best ways to make your breasts grow. Try drinking more milk, and eating more eggs, peanut butter, lean fish, chicken and nuts. In any case, you should be trying to eat a well-balanced diet irrespective of whether or not you are trying to make your breast grow faster. If you eat more protein, your curves will be softer and round out nicely. 7. Eat more fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables help regulate testosterone levels in the body, while the anthocyanins and antioxidants in them further help build healthy tissue and protect against damage from free radicals. Make sure you're getting a minimum of 4 servings a day. Berries, like blueberries, are a good choice because they're high in antioxidants. Dates, cherries, apples and plums should be included in your meals because they have more estrogen than other foods. 9. Drink a mixture of papaya juice and milk every day. Although it is not extensive or well done, some research has shown that one of the best to improve breast growth is to drink a mixture of papaya juice and milk. Nutrients and vitamins found in these 2 ingredients help plump your breasts as long as you drink the mixture routinely. Alternatively, you can also eat fresh papaya in lieu of the juice.